won't take me down! Enough! He take this!
Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well. In today's video, I'm going to show you a powerful AI tool that helps you create stunning AI images and videos in just a few minutes. And the best part is you don't need complicated prompts or advanced editing skills. Today, we'll explore an all-in-one AI creation platform called iMini AI. I have included the official link to iMini AI in the description, so please be sure to try it. So, without wasting any time, let's get started. First, open your browser and type iMini. As soon as the website opens, you'll see the main landing page. On the home page, you'll notice a powerful tagline: "From ordinary to extraordinary, all in one super AI creation agent," which basically means this is a complete AI creation platform where you can use multiple AI tools in one place. Now here we simply need to log in using our Google account, or you can also enter your email and log in. I'll quickly log in here. After logging in, I click on the Start Create button. Now the main iMini dashboard opens in front of you. Here you can see a section with different AI models. Multiple models are available, such as Nano Banana, Sora 2, Veo 3.1, GPT Image, Seedream 4.5, Midjourney, Wan 2.5, Imogen, Vidu, and Hailuo. This means you can use multiple AI engines on a single platform, which is a very powerful feature for creators. Now I move to the main tools section. Here you'll find three main creation tools: AI Image, AI Video, and Precise Edit. Now let me show you another interesting feature. Here you'll see three tabs. First is Inspiration. In this section, you can explore different AI-generated examples and get creative ideas. Next is the Topics section. Here you'll find categories like graphic design, photography, and anime. These categories help you discover different types of AI creations. Then we have the Prompt tab. Here you get a ready-made prompt library. So if you're not very good at writing prompts, you can simply copy prompts from here and use them. This is especially helpful for beginners. Now let's move to the main models and start creating something. First, we'll generate an AI image. So I open the AI image section. On the screen, you'll see a prompt box where we need to write a prompt to generate an image. Now after writing the prompt, I selected the model Imogen 4.0. Imogen is a very powerful model for generating realistic cinematic images. Next, I select the aspect ratio, and then I click the Create button. Within a few seconds, the AI generates a high-quality image. And as you can see, the lighting, reflections, and environment look very cinematic. If you look over here, you'll notice a section called Precise Edit. This feature is basically used to modify existing images. Using this tool, you can easily remove objects, change the background, or even upscale the image to improve its quality. So if you want to make quick adjustments or enhance your image, you can do all of that directly inside this section. Now let's test another model. I open the model list, and this time, I selected Seedream 4.5. Now I click Generate, and the AI creates an epic fantasy-style image. From this example, you can clearly see that different models create different visual styles. Now let's move to AI video generation. I open the AI video section. Here you'll also see a prompt box, where we can write a prompt to generate a video. Now I select the model Kling 2.6. Then I select the aspect ratio, and I click Create. After some processing time, the AI generates an action cinematic video. Let's see the result.
You won't take me down! Enough! He take this!
Now let's repeat the same process with a different model and see how the output changes. This time, I select the Sora 2 model and select the aspect ratio. This time I select the 9:16, and again, I click Create. The AI creates another dynamic cinematic action video. Let's see the result again.
You're not stopping me! Take it down! Not today!
And hit the download button. Now let me show you another interesting feature called Precise Edit. This feature allows you to modify existing images. First, I go to the AI image section. On the left side, you'll see the precise edit option. I click on it. Now you'll see the upload image option. Here I upload an image from my computer. Once the image is uploaded, a cinematic fantasy scene appears. In this scene, a warrior is standing, and a dragon is flying in front of him. Below, you'll see precise edit tools that allows you to edit specific parts of the image. Now I write an instruction in the prompt box. Then I click Create. After a few seconds, the AI processes the image. Now you can see the result. The dragon is breathing fire toward the warrior. The scene now has dramatic fire effects, and the lighting looks more cinematic and intense. So basically, the AI transformed the same image into a more dramatic action scene. If I open the image on the right side, you can also see the prompt we used. From here, you can download the image, regenerate it, or use more tools like upscale, remove background, object removal, image to image, and image to video. So guys, that was the complete tutorial of iMini AI. If you're interested in AI creativity and content creation, then iMini AI is definitely worth trying. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next video.